When you type a number with more than 11 digits in Excel, it automatically switches to scientific notation. This can be really irritating if you're working with things like phone numbers, IDs, or account numbers. Let's see how to fix this in 3 simple ways. Way 1. Select your cells. Go to the Home tab. In the number group, click the small arrow. Click More Number Formats. Under Category, choose Number. Set decimal places to 0. Now Excel will display the full number. Way 2. Use the trim function before the number. Way 3. Type an apostrophe before your number. Now your numbers will stay as you want, without Excel converting them to scientific notation. But remember, both of these 2 ways forces Excel to treat it as text. So, it won't behave like a number anymore, so calculations won't work. If you have found this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.